All right, guys, see, here's the second foldable you're going to do. It looks like this, and like that on that page. What you're going to do first is you are going to cut along the outside of the box. Okay, so cut along the outside of the box. All right, so when you're done cutting along the outside, it should look like this. It should be a lot smaller. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to fold this just like that. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, and you can see reflection, translation, and rotation. Okay, once you get it folded, you're going to open it up, and you're going to cut along these lines right here, but not all the way across. You're going to stop right there. Okay, so so you'll stop right there. Now be careful not to cut all the way across. If you do, then you're going to have to glue it in little strips, okay? Because I do not have extra. All right, so don't cut it all the way across. It should look like that right there when you're done. And you're going to do that with each of these. All right, so what I did was I went through here and I cut each of these. Okay? And you would fold those over. And now, first you would fill out the reflection. So first you fill out across the y-axis, okay? So it's showing you a reflection across the y-axis, and it says you keep the blank value, so you keep either the x or y value the same, and then you multiply the other value by -1. Multiplying by -1 is the same thing as changing the sign, okay? So whenever they say multiply the value by -1, like if we were to say change the sign of the x value, that means multiply the x value by -1. Okay, so you need to fill in these two, and then you need to fill in these. Notice they're using x and y and not a and b. Okay, and then they even have you an example of a reflection across the y-axis. They have point A, which is 2, 1, and if you reflect it across the y-axis, a prime becomes -2, 1. All right, so you're going to go through here and fill out all of these for reflection. It's x, y-axis, x-axis, y equals x, y equals -x. And then you have a vector AB translation. Remember, that's from section 5.1. And then you have rotations, okay? Now, remember I said we were only going to do counterclockwise? Okay, so this means 90 degrees counterclockwise, and it's the same thing as 270 degrees clockwise. So you can just view this as 90 degrees counterclockwise. And then you have 180 counterclockwise, which it would be the same for both. And then you have 270 counterclockwise, which really is the same as 90 clockwise, but we only talk about counterclockwise. Okay. Once you're finished, your spokesperson is going to bring just theirs, because everybody should look the same. I would remember to do it in pencil first. That way, in case you make any mistakes, y'all can go back and fix it. The spokesperson needs to come back and use my foldable answer key to grade theirs, and then they can come back and y'all can make any corrections. Okay. Once you're finished, you need to get a piece of paper, notebook paper, and you need to glue this on there, just like that in the middle, but leave the heading. And you are going to title this paper Transformations Foldable, because it has them all on there that we've discussed. It has 5.1, 5.2, and 5.3. Okay. And then this would be the very next page after the 5.3 rotations foldable. Again, I will confirm what those pages are in class today. Okay. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.